Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker, and I'm going to show you how to make a really cute Dollar Tree spring wreath. So what we've got here is I have a Dollar Tree scarf, and this was a 2 for $1 of these mini wreaths. So we're just going to take the scarf and wrap the wreath. So it's kind of cool because if you're giving it to somebody as a present, they can then have the scarf and wear that. So I love using lots of different items as I make my wreaths. So we're just about to the end here, and I'm just going to take this side and bring it around, and then take this here, and we're just going to tie it off, tie a little knot there, and then I'm going to show you a really cute, and that will be the back, show you a really cute little way to make a rose. So what I'm going to do is take my ribbon, I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm just going to make a little like triangle here. And all I'm going to do is go back and back and back. So that's all we're doing here is we're just folding back and we're making squares. So it's super, super simple. And like this, and it's kind of almost like magic how this turns into a little rosette. So we're going to keep going and folding it, fold that back, fold this one, fold it back. We're going to keep going till we almost have it. Then what I'm going to do is grab my two ends and I'm just going to let go. And then I'm going to hold this here and take one of my ends and pull it. And you can see the little rosette is actually forming. And then this will be like my tail or my streamer. And I'm just going to twist that and I'm just going to lay that here. I'm actually going to hold on to it because I probably should have made it after I started the bow. So I'm just going to hold on to it and put my bow wire, my Bowdabra bow wire into my Bowdabra. And this is a ribbon from our spring ribbon kit. We've already dovetailed the ends. And then now what I'm going to do is make a two, since I've already dovetailed these ends, I'm going to just fold it in half and just put the middle of it down in the center. And I'm going to just bring this over here and fold this one over and bring this here. I'm just going to check and make sure my loops are the same size. They are. And then now I'm just going to lay my little rosette into the Bowdabra. And I have two others that we already made. And we're going to lay those in. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do it the opposite way so these streamers will actually go down and lay those into the Bowdabra. Then what I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, bring it up. I'm going to pull it through the slip knot, which is why I folded my Bowdabra bow wire in half to begin with. Pull it out, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and tie a knot and double knot it. And now I'm just going to kind of shape everything, bring my roses around and this here and shape my loops, bring these down. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to tie the bow right on top of where my scarf knot was. I'm just going to tie that really tightly. And just in case you're giving this as a gift and someone might want to keep the bow, we're just going to tie it like a little bow there, so it'll be easy to take apart. And there you have this really cute little wreath. And it was so simple and very inexpensive to make.